Rocket Pat here. Alright guys, it's another hot rocket day in the jungle, and we are rocking and a rolling and a rolling and a rocking on our boy LeeRoy over here. And let's see what we got done. Okay, so last night I was out here goofing around with the little buffer kind of thingy, and man, look at there. LeeRoy actually got some chrome up underneath that there rust over there, so I think I'm gonna have to keep rubbing on that. Took the DA with the Scotch-Brite to him, and man, he cleaned up real nice. I'm real pleased with that. Let's see what all I have got going on this week, okay? So I dug out all the stuff that was in the inside where the seats were, where in the trunk. This is all the stainless that goes to it. This is just stuff that was in the trunk, man. You know, I mean, and I have filtered through a lot of stuff that was just in the trunk, and this is the last of what's in the trunk. So, got everybody out of there, and this is the interior I'm working with. So, I guess the moral of this particular video here is going to be that part of getting old LeeRoy road ready is get the damn thing where it's not dropping rust all over me, and I mean just particles of rust falling off of the roof, all that kind of stuff, and get some sort of clean interior going on. So this is what was in the car. I have all the stainless, all these little pieces right there. The rest is over there. This is the passenger side. This is the driver's side door panel. This driver's side door, the glass was busted out of it for probably a decade or two, and it did its damage on this stuff. So what I went and did. So, and this is what the seat sits on. So what I did is I decided I was going to go get some plywood. And this is 3mm thick plywood, and I'm gonna make some door cards, and I did. So let me show you that. So kind of hard to see it because of the sun, kind of backlit there. But yeah, I got door cards on there, painted them black on both sides. Got that in there. Decided that we needed to do something. Well, okay, let me backtrack a little bit. One of the things that I did was I got in there and cleaned out the back seat area and pour 15'd everything up inside that deal. I have also, let's see if we can get up in there. I pour 15'd the whole roof. So that's done. So now there's nothing falling on my head as I sit, you know, in the car. Yeah, pour 15'd everywhere. So now I can get in and out of the car and it's clean. Pour 15 the back deck, but I think I may have done that already. Got the welding done on all this trim, underneath the trim. Got that done. Oh, also, what? Check this out. Watch. Wait a minute. Where's my hand? Ah, get out of the way. Ah! Look. So exciting. Got both. Can you get in there? Both of the dome lights. Rocking and a rolling and a rolling and a rocking. All right, so we got some lighting going on inside, the mood lighting going on inside LeeRoy. All right, so got inside the trunk, pour 15'd everything I was gonna need to do, pour 15. These are extra pieces that Lee had in the car. This is extra for the dash. These two pieces right here, they go around the back window as soon as I get the back window in. These two pieces go along the armrest area of the back window area, back seat. Found some better sun visors in the car. And these are the interior trim that go along the roof rail. Okay, be like windows going up and down this way, right? Got all this done, put the battery tray in, got to move the battery soon. So then I got a package in the mail from the catalog that's there to nickel and dime you out of $35,000, and I got all that. So got all this. This is all the trim pieces, or clips, to put all the stainless back onto the car. That was not cheap. Picked up a set of front marker lamp lenses and a new set of tail lens dealies. These are like customs for this right here, right here, because that's not gonna pass. I got power steering hose and AN fittings with the proper fittings for the pressure lines. Had to pick up some adapters to go into the steering rack, and then the return line can just be a barb. Then we have a a flow reducer, because I need to drop that from 3 gallons a minute to 2 gallons a minute, or it's going to be all over the place. So that's something I did. Another thing I did is, what all that's sitting on is the seats. I took and cleaned the crap out of them, and I got some of that duplicolor vinyl paint, and I painted them gray, because the front seats are gray, and we might as well go with the gray thing since we already got something already gray. So we got that done. The bad thing is there's a big tear in the back seat, but I covered it up with some duct tape, which is the right hillbilly way to fix this. This company has a really, really, really good interior kit for this car. I probably won't be able to open the book to it while we're talking. But yeah, they have a really good interior kit that's really reasonable. I just kind of worry about the headliner. Yeah, you see? Whole kit. You can buy everything. Door panels, seat covers, back seat covers, carpet, everything for, well, it's higher than I got. This is the old catalog. But my car, it was $1,695. I think it's $2,039 or something like that today. Or 23 something is on the highest kit they got, with like the leatherette and everything. But I'll be doing that pretty soon, and that's going to replace these seat covers. Because, yeah, can't do it right now. Don't have time, don't have the money. But I can fix this. This doesn't cost me any money. But on the other side, if you remember, I got the sail panel fixed, but I still need to fix this right here, because as we can see, we're going to have a lot of wind noise going on in here until I get the right piece of metal in here to screw all this in place. So that still needs to be done. That's going to stop me from doing the interior completely. This is just a makeshift interior for the time being, so we can at least drive the car. All right, so let's talk about what I found. Okay, so I was over there in my cabinet, way over there with that door open right over there, and I found these. Y'all tell me if you like this. What do y'all think about that? Oh, hell yeah. All right, so found those. Those work out pretty good. They don't really allow the seat to move forward and backwards, but I don't really care. Just set the seat where I want to set it and forget it. Probably not going to be having a whole lot of people riding in the back seat anyway right now, so yeah, we'll just ride with that. But let me show you what I did do. I went and I got 2 different cut shades of the duplicolor fabric vinyl paint, and this is where we're headed with our interior right now. I got 1 panel done, so y'all tell me what you like about that. I think that's going to look better than the orange situation. So that's what we're going to head on there. So you can figure that there'll be a little bit of this gray going up and down along that line right there, and then the rest of it will be tan. And then this piece right here will end up being charcoal gray instead of that chrome. The reason why we don't want to put that chrome right there is because Lee told me that his daddy did that, and when his daddy did that, then which is the Roy part of this LeeRoy thing, so it's L-E-E-R-O-Y. So when he did that, he realized that the Texas sun on your arm on that piece of chrome steel is probably not a good idea, and maybe some paint would be a better idea instead of that chrome. So we're not going to use that chrome. We're going to use charcoal gray, and we'll bring it around the package tray, all that and everything. So yeah, that's where we're at. Seats are ready to go. It's getting kind of a long video here, but let me show you the other side of what I did with that little cover. Also, I got over here to put some speakers in that I had bought for the Monte Carlo, and drilled me a nice big hole right here, figured out where I wanted them, blah, blah, blah. Went to cut it and realized that in this zone right here is the trunk spring pocket, and can't really cut through that, so I'm having to move the speakers over. Just trials and tribulations of working on an old car. One of the things that I did do is, okay, now that you see it in that color, what you think? Man, that side piece was almost like it was made for it. All right, guys, well, there's that. One more little bitty thing. I think that's gonna stay for right now. My reasoning behind that is, and on top of it, that right there is gonna turn around and come and get put on the fender right there, and then the stripe come back to right here and out there and go forward. And the reason why I'm doing that is because some of the trim on the other side of the car is messed up, and I kind of want to put something on there. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Bad Chad route on this line going down here, and I've ordered some of that chrome sticky side trim molding, and we're just going to make that stripe out of that plastic strip instead of, because I don't have all the right pieces to make it out of the stainless, and this is just temporarily. And any holes I drill in anything, hey man, I got a welder, I know how to use it, we'll be all right. Okay, all right guys, well there you have it. That's where we're at. Oh, whoa, wait a minute. Hope you're still here. 11 minutes in, or you might miss the most important thing. Mirror was a problem. Couldn't find a mirror, okay? Had this peep mirror up there, couldn't see damn thing out of it, okay? Horrible. Can't see out of the peep mirror that's on the other side. They sell mirrors that they claim work, but I just couldn't find where that fits, okay? Nothing I did made that where it's visible while sitting in the car. I mean, I couldn't, the only way I'd get it any visible is if I put it right here, you know, and I'm not screwing into my stainless. So, but I did find the answer. That mirror right there works perfect. That mirror is off Jackie. That mirror is a 76 Corvette Stingray mirror. And I'm telling you right now, I think that mirror looks a whole lot better than that little peepee thing. I think it fills out the car better. I like it. I think it rocks and rolls. And come tomorrow morning at 8 a.m., I will be calling Corvette America, and I will be ordering a brand new set for Jackie, because LeeRoy's about to steal her mirrors. All right, guys, well, there you go. That's how you rocking and a rolling and a rolling and a rocking on your Lee Do It For Lee tribute. All right, guys, I'll talk to y'all next time. Y'all keep rocking and a rolling and a rolling and a rocking. And Petey Doggy says he's ready to go take a nap. It's hot out here already. Hot, Daddy. Hot, Daddy.